when I'm packing, I just lay out everything in front of my suitcase. I'm actually just bringing a carry-on. I've gotten quite good at that recently, of just packing stuff in a carry-on and trying to focus on what I'm actually gonna need. I personally bring more stuff than probably the average person would need for a 2-week trip, just because I do some photo and video stuff, so I do like to have kind of like a fresh outfit every day. I have quite a few dresses here, especially because I'm going to Italy. If I was going somewhere like Asia, I wouldn't bring so many nice dresses, but because Italy is a bit fancier, the fashion's a bit more like fun and classy and nice, I do have a lot of dresses. I have 8 different shirts, 2 pairs of pants. This one's just kind of like a long and flowy one. This one's actually a bit fancier. I got this in Milan when I was there like a year and a half ago. And then I have a lace romper, 5 skirts there. They're just kind of like midi length. This is like a short skirt. This is a polka dot jean skirt. We're doing a few days on the Amalfi Coast, and then Hvar when we go to Croatia for 3 days, which will also be like kind of beach towns. And then for shoes, I actually picked these up at just like a little outlet mall yesterday. I was trying to find shoes that would be good for walking. I will bring runners, just something that was a bit better than sandals that still kind of looked nice. So these are from Skechers, and what caught me was the air-cooled memory foam. So I thought they'd be good for walking as an alternative to sandals. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bring some like accessories and stuff, so I'll have like belts and some necklaces and all that. And yeah, let's just put this in this bad boy. So I actually ended up taking out like 2 skirts, 2 dresses. I find that often happens. Once I actually put it in here, I realize I don't have any room. We're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, so after a bunch of running around, I actually made it to the airport with Peter. Oh, he's walking away to go pee. Anyways, but we like zipped through security, and we've just come to a restaurant to eat. But I'm very excited to go off to Italy. I feel like this trip came up so quick, and I'm gonna be doing a bunch of like travel videos and that kind of stuff. I'm thinking I'll probably do one on like each place we're going. So we're doing Venice, Florence, Rome. We're doing 3 days in Croatia, split in Hvar, and then doing the Amalfi Coast, Positano, Capri, and then back home. So when first arriving in Venice, the best way to get from the airport into Venice is to take the ATVO express bus like we did, and it takes about 20 minutes, and a one-way ticket is €6 per person. So once you get off the bus, you have a few options to get to your hotel. You can either hire a private water taxi, which will be a bit more expensive, or what everyone seems to do, and is what we did as well, is take the Vaporetto, which is basically a public water bus, and it stops off all along the Grand Canal. And then from there, we got on foot and walked a short distance to our hotel. Hey guys, so I want to say good morning, but it's not morning, it's definitely the nighttime. But I just laid down for a nap. We were so tired. I mean, as you guys know, we've traveled before, when you get a place and you're like on the complete opposite time zone, plus then having not slept on the plane, we actually ended up watching the whole entire like season 3 of Stranger Things, which like maybe not the most smart thing to do. They were 8-hour-long episodes, so we watched 8 hours straight of Stranger Things instead of sleeping. So needless to say, we were kind of tired when we got here, but we checked into our hotel. It took a little bit to actually find it. We were like weaving through the streets. This is the view. You can kind of see it over here. We're gonna go get some dinner. It's kind of funny because people don't even eat here until like after 10 p.m. Like apparently if you're sitting down eating before then, people know you're tourists. Which, I mean, I feel like everyone here in Venice is tourists, so it doesn't really matter. We've made it out of the house. Our first day in Italy. Peter, do you want to be in the vlog? Him and I have not traveled together since Thailand, but he's back. The problem is...
Well, we traveled together, just no big trips.
Well, no big trips. He's too tall, so then it's like... But we're currently in St. Marco Square, which is one of the popular things to do here. So we landed on our first spot. We got 2 Aperol Spritz. I got some risotto ball. But it's really cute in here. Everyone we've talked to is like, the biggest thing you want to do here is just go wander around the streets and get lost. So that's what we did. We stumbled across this place. This is the name of this spot. It's just kind of off the main square. It's quite good. Oh my god. I can't stop. Oh, Snickers. One? Yeah. Small of the Snicker. That was amazing.